Meet John. The air conditioner in his home didn't work properly, and his family wasn't comfortable with the temperature. John tried to figure out the problem, but he couldn't. So he started searching for a good HVAC contractor. Thankfully, John found us. One of our experienced contractors was able to come to John's home quickly and thoroughly inspected his air conditioner and overall HVAC system. He figured out the problem, gave John an affordable quote, and got it fixed quickly. John now has peace of mind knowing his HVAC system is running efficiently. Maintaining your ventilation, air, and heating systems is the key to the longevity of your units and effective energy savings. So when you have an HVAC problem in your home, we will be right there to help. Call us today and get the job done right the first time.